Modern-day predators can attack us in many ways. They no longer only threaten us in the physical world, but cybercrime has nearly doubled in the past 2 years. At Protect Now, our training programs and products will help you to become the toughest target possible to potential offline and online threats. Whether you are a real estate agent, financial advisor, or attorney, we help you introduce proactive strategies to ensure safety, security, and enhance your competitive advantage as an individual and organization. Get certified with our CSI Protection Certification, and exclusively for small business, cyber policy. Protect your small business with a customized and comprehensive cyber liability insurance program. If you don't have an IT staff, our virtual Chief Information Security Officer diagnoses and secures you against cyber vulnerabilities, an essential requirement of cyber insurance in order to make claims in the event of a breach. Take our online courses and learn how anyone can defend against modern-day predators. We will show you how to protect your privacy, your money, and identity from the dark web, cyber scams, data theft, and physical threats. Discover the revolutionary safety button that connects you with help in uncomfortable and emergency situations, Ripple Safety. This small device connects you to our 24/7 professional monitoring team. If your business handles sensitive data, you and your team are at risk of being targeted by hackers. Threat Ready Cyber Awareness Training helps educate and prepare your staff for over 30 threat vectors and instills proper habits. Join our ID protection program and know that your credit, financial information, and personal data are being carefully monitored, and if compromised, we help you restore what was lost with $1 million in coverage. We can also assist you with freezing your child's credit to prevent child identity theft. Home Title Lock protects homeowners from the growing problem of cybercriminals stealing titles to homes and putting substantial debt on property owners without their knowledge, a threat not covered by other insurance policies. Due to the culture we live in, predators have it easy now. At Protect Now, we're committed to changing this equation. With every product and service, we help you to not become the next statistic.